Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Iroquois County and east central Illinois, west central Newton County, and northwestern Indiana until 11:45 a.m. At 10:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piper City, or near Gilman, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. There were also reports earlier in the storm of downed power poles in Fairbury. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watseka, Gilman, Ashcombe, Martinton, Crescent City, Danforth, Beaverville, Donovan, and Iroquois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.